Okay, guys, you're going to need to open up the Mixing Up Solutions recording document for this. You may have to kind of flip back and forth between it and this video, or you're welcome to do these at home if you have the ingredients, but I don't want you to feel like you have to go out and purchase anything, so I'm going to do them for you also. On the document, it has a place for, it says it asks you which mixtures are also solutions, and we just talked about what a solution is. Okay, it's when one substance dissolves into another. Okay, and it is, the definition is whenever two or more items are mixed together and they're mixed evenly throughout. Okay, so we're going to make a couple of mixtures and you're going to determine if you think it is a solution or not. Okay, there's also a place for you to record the changes you observed. If you don't record any changes, if you don't see any changes, then put none. Okay, but I believe with all these, you can at least say that things mixed up or the color changed or something. So you want to describe your observations somehow. Okay, also on the right-hand side, there is a blue box where it says describing my observations. Okay, so in that box, you want to make sure that you write something about what you noticed about the mixtures that are not solutions, the mixtures that are solutions. Just tell me what you're observing. Remember, when you make observations, you're using your five senses. So it's what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste, okay, the way things feel. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The very first one is salt and pepper, okay? So in this metal pie tin, I'm just going to put in some salt, okay? And then I'm also going to dump in some pepper. And I'm going to mix them up. And you're going to record your observations, okay, on your answer document. And then you're going to write as to whether or not you think it is a solution based on what we wrote in our journal about solutions and mixtures. Okay, so here's your salt and pepper. Okay, so there's the first one. Our second one, and again, if you need to pause so that you can answer these, do that. Okay, so our second one is going to be some plastic beads. So I've got some plastic beads right here. These are just those melty beads, but any plastic beads would work. And again, if you want to do this at home, you can, but don't feel like you have to. You can just use this video. So there's our plastic beads and then some metal brads. Okay, I'm going to mix those up. Okay, so there's that mixture. There's our second mixture. Oh, goodness, that pepper got to me. Sorry. Okay, so our third one is some rocks. Okay, and some water. Okay, here's our third one, rocks and water. Goodness. Okay, our fourth one is a powdered drink mix. I just have a Hawaiian Punch, Hawaiian Punch singles drink mix, fruit juicy red. It doesn't really matter what kind, but let's see if I can get it open. Goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that in here. Remember to make your observations. Okay, and we'll stir that up. Make sure you record your observations on that recording sheet. And then, of course, you can watch this as many times as you need to, or you can pause it in between. You can watch it all the way through and then pause it in between, however you want to do it. Okay, this was our fourth one, was powdered drink mix and water. Okay. And then our last one, right now, let's see if I can adjust my camera just a little bit. This is some warm, relatively warm water. And I have a hot cocoa packet. And it would probably work better if the water was just a little bit warmer. Okay, so there's our salt and pepper was first, then plastic beads and metal brads, our rocks and water, our powdered drink mix and water, and then our cocoa and water. Okay, make sure you record your observations and then record whether you think it is a solution or a mixture. Okay, and you can base that based on what we've learned about solutions and mixtures, about the definitions of them. Typically with a solution, we're looking at something dissolving into something else. Okay, and you can see this is no longer a powder and a liquid. It's now all one yummy liquid that I really want to drink. Okay, if y'all have any questions, give me an email. Make sure you fill out that recording sheet and turn it back into me. Have a great day.